Alright, this is gonna be a review of the stihl 011 AVT electric stop. So let's just review. It's an older saw. I'm gonna take this part off of it. I put a new bar and chain on it, a sharpened chain, which needs to be sharpened again. So it's just a review. It's got a chain brake. Kind of feels flimsy, but it's anti-vibration. It's just easy, you know, that stop up there, you lock it in, but you never have to do that spark plug, which is kind of inconvenient to get to, but that's okay. I put a new, well, I'll go through the parts I put on here. New ones. Bar and chain. Fuel lines, that doesn't really count as a part, I guess it does. Throttle cable. Coil and flywheel. So I think that's a good bit of parts. And it's still tuned a bit rich, but that's alright. Right there, it's a simple choke setup, and it's real. When you press the trigger, the throttle, the gas actually will, you can, if I had a flat screwdriver, I could take off this cover and show you how the gas actually squirts into there. So I usually just go like that a couple times, and I guess that counts as a prime. But I'm going to start this up. It's going to be a cold start. It's probably the last one of it. So I'm not dressed. I'm going to probably do a test cut, but I'm in my not nice shoes, or in my nice, I would consider these church shoes. So I'm going to go over here. I'll set the camera up on something, and then we'll do a test cut. So we'll do a cold start and a test cut. So I'll probably put the camera right here. It's on. Find a good place to set up the camera. Not bad, I hope you could see that. But it was just two little cuts. But you can see the dust is pretty thick actually, so I don't know, I might sharpen the chain. But that's it for this. So comment, rate, and subscribe. Tell me what you think.